Welcome to the Speak Easy English Show.
We're here to help you speak English confidently.
Do you want to speak English with more confidence, but you don't know how to practice every day? Maybe you study English, but you still feel shy when it is time to speak. Maybe you say, "I will start tomorrow. I need more time. My English is too weak."
If that sounds like you, this lesson is for you.
Because today, we are starting something simple and powerful. A 7-day speaking challenge.
Step by step, day by day, easy English, real progress.
And by the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say for 7 days to improve your English confidence. So don't wait. Day 1 starts now. Let's look at the idea first. On day 1, maybe you say only this. "Hi, my name is Ravi. I am learning English." That is enough. On day 3, maybe you say, "I usually wake up at 7. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast." On day 7, maybe you say, "I feel more confident now because I practice every day. My English is still simple, but I can speak."
See the difference?
Yes. Small sentences, then longer sentences, then real confidence.
That is how speaking grows.
Not in one perfect day, but through simple practice every day. Today we will do 1. Why a 7-day challenge works. 2. Day 1. 2. Day 7 speaking topics. 3. Repeat after me. Confidence practice. 4. Motivation and mindset. 5. Role play. 6. Final fluency challenge. Let's start with something important. Why is a 7-day challenge useful? Because many learners do not have a speaking problem. They have a consistency problem. They practice one day, then stop, then start again, then stop again.
Yes, many learners wait for the perfect time.
Exactly. But confidence does not come from waiting. Confidence comes from repetition. When you speak every day, even for a few minutes, your mouth gets more comfortable. Your mind gets faster. Your fear gets smaller. Your confidence gets stronger.
And 7 days feels possible.
Yes, not too long. Not too difficult. Just enough to build momentum. Repeat after me. I can practice every day. Pause. Small practice is powerful. Pause. I do not need perfect English. Pause. I need daily English. Pause. 7 days can change my confidence. Pause.
Again, I can speak 1 day at a time. Pause. I can improve step by step. Pause.
Very good. That is the mindset for this challenge. Day 1 is simple. Introduce yourself. This is the best place to start. Repeat after me. "Hi, my name is Daniel." Pause. "I'm from England." Pause. "I am learning English." Pause. "I want to speak with confidence." Pause.
Now a simple, full answer. Hi, my name is Jessie. I'm from India, and I am learning English. Pause.
Very good. For day 1, your goal is not perfection. Your goal is? Say 3 to 4 simple sentences about yourself. Try this structure. Your name. Where you are from. What you do. Why you are learning English.
For example, Hi, my name is Ravi. I'm from India. I'm a student. I want to speak English better.
Perfect. Simple and useful. And if this challenge is helping you already, subscribe because every lesson helps you build real English step by step. Day 2. Talk about your daily routine. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. Pause. I brush my teeth. Pause. I take a shower. Pause. I have breakfast. Pause. I go to work. Pause.
Now, a full, short routine. I usually wake up at 7. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. Pause.
Very good. This day helps you talk about real life. Because routine English is useful every day.
And it is easier to remember because it is your life.
Exactly. Stay with me in a moment. I'll give you all 7 speaking days, and you'll know exactly how to practice English with confidence every day. Day 3. Talk about your likes and dislikes. Repeat after me. I like music. Pause. I like tea. Pause. I enjoy watching movies. Pause. I don't like waking up early. Pause. I don't like spicy food. Pause.
Now, natural combinations. I like music and movies. Pause. I enjoy reading in my free time. Pause. I don't like very cold weather. Pause.
Very good. For day 3, speak about food, hobbies, movies, music, daily preferences.
This makes your speaking more personal and natural.
Yes. And personal English is easier to speak. Day 4. Talk about your family or friends. Repeat after me. I have a small family. Pause. I live with my parents. Pause. I have one brother. Pause. My friend is very kind. Pause. We like talking together. Pause.
Now, natural combinations. I live with my family. And we eat dinner together. Pause. My best friend is funny and helpful. Pause. I have one sister and she likes music. Pause.
Very good. This topic helps you describe people simply. That is a very useful speaking skill. Day 5. Talk about yesterday. Repeat after me. Yesterday, I woke up late. Pause. I went to work. Pause. I ate lunch at home. Pause. I watched a movie. Pause. I went to bed early. Pause.
Now a short, full answer. Yesterday, I went to work, came home, and watched a movie. Pause.
Very good. Day 5 helps you practice simple past tense in a useful way. You do not need long grammar explanations. Just say what you did yesterday.
That is already good speaking practice.
Day 6. Ask and answer easy questions. Repeat after me. What's your name? Pause. Where are you from? Pause. What do you do? Pause. What do you like to do in your free time? Pause. How are you today? Pause.
Now answer them too. My name is Jessie. Pause. I'm from India. Pause. I'm a student. Pause. I like music and reading. Pause. I'm fine. Thank you. Pause.
Excellent. This day helps you practice real conversation. Question. Answer. Question. Answer. That is speaking.
Now the final day.
Day 7. Speak about your English confidence. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. Pause. I feel more confident now. Pause. My English is still simple, but I can speak. Pause. I am not afraid to try. Pause. I will keep practicing. Pause.
Now, a full short answer. I feel better now because I practice every day. My English is not perfect, but I am improving. Pause.
Very good. Day 7 is powerful because it helps you hear your own progress. You may still be a beginner, but now you are a beginner who speaks. And that is a big difference. Let me tell you a short story. A learner once said, "I want to speak English confidently, but I always stop after 2 days." So, I gave him a simple challenge. Speak for just a few minutes every day for 7 days. Day 1. He was shy. Day 2. He still made many mistakes. Day 3. He was a little smoother. Day 5. He could talk about his day. Day 7. He smiled and said, "I still make mistakes, but now I can speak."
That is real progress.
Yes. Confidence did not come because his English became perfect. Confidence came because he kept going. So remember, 7 small days can create one big change. Now repeat after me slowly and clearly. 1. My name is Daniel. Pause. Again. Pause. 2. I am learning English. Pause. Again. Pause. 3. I wake up at 7. Pause. Again. Pause. 4. I like music and movies. Pause. Again. Pause. 5. I live with my family. Pause. Again. Pause. 6. Yesterday, I went to work. Pause. Again. Pause. 7. What do you do? Pause. Again. Pause. 8. I feel more confident now. Pause. Again. Pause. 9. I can speak simple English. Pause. Again. Pause. 10. I will keep practicing. Pause. Again. Pause. 11. Small practice helps me improve. Pause. Again. Pause. 12. I can do this. Pause. Again. Pause.
Very good. These sentences come from all 7 days of the challenge.
Yes. This is simple English, but strong English.
Now let's say longer chunks. A little smoother this time.
Listen first, then repeat. Chunk A. Hi, my name is Daniel, and I am learning English. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk B. I usually wake up at 7 and have breakfast at 8. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk C. I like music and watching movies in my free time. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk D. I live with my family and we eat dinner together. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk E. Yesterday, I went to work and came home tired. Pause. Again. Pause. Chunk F. I feel more confident now because I practice every day. Pause. Again. Pause.
Very nice.
Now more natural challenge lines. I am still learning, but I can speak. Pause. My English is simple, but I am improving every day. Pause. I do not need perfect English. I need daily practice. Pause. I feel shy sometimes, but I still try. Pause.
That sounds much more real and motivating.
Now it's your turn. Let's do a short role play using the challenge. I ask. You answer. Question 1. What's your name? Pause 6 seconds.
My name is Jessie. Question 2. What do you do every morning? Pause 6 seconds. I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. Question 3. What do you like to do in your free time? Pause 6 seconds. I like music and reading. Question 4. Who do you live with? Pause 6 seconds. I live with my family. Question 5. What did you do yesterday? Pause 6 seconds. Yesterday, I went to work and watched a movie. Question 6. How do you feel now about speaking English? Pause 6 seconds. I feel more confident now.
Excellent. Now it's time for your final fluency test. Speak for 60 seconds using these 7 ideas. 1. Introduce yourself. 2. Talk about your routine. 3. Say what you like. 4. Talk about family or friends. 5. Say what you did yesterday. 6. Answer one easy question. 7. Say how you feel now. Here is an example. Hi, my name is Ravi. I am from India and I am learning English. I usually wake up at 7 and have breakfast at 8. I like music and movies. I live with my family. Yesterday, I went to work and came home tired. If someone asks me what I do, I can answer simply. Now I feel more confident because I practice every day. Now pause the video and speak for 60 seconds.
Great job. You finished the 7-day speaking challenge lesson.
Yes, and this is very important. Do not watch this video once and forget it. Use it. Repeat it. Follow the 7 days. Speak every day.
That is how confidence grows.
So from today, practice one day at a time. Use simple English. Speak even with mistakes. Keep going for all 7 days. And if you want more real speaking practice, subscribe now and continue learning with us every week.
Now your homework. Write in the comments. Day 1 starts today. And write. Which day will be easiest for you? Or which day will be hardest?
I'll read some of your comments. And in the next episode, we'll continue with another useful English speaking lesson. See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye.